Hey, what's up, guys? This is Adil here with Enthusiast Trader. In this video, I will be talking about the market outlook, how the S&P 500 did, and also the QQQ, and also my thoughts for tomorrow. My picks for I'll be reviewing the trades that I took today, and also reviewing the trades that I will trade ideas for tomorrow. So let's get right into it. The spiders, although they gapped down significantly, they bounced off of the resistance, which is now support at 342, and they put in a solid green day. Ended up 347, which is near, um, which was near the close of yesterday. So this looks pretty bullish, which is because we had gapped up so much, it just came down. Now I think we probably put in a green day here and then chop around before we go higher. Um, the Qs, same story here, put in a nice green day, and they also look higher. The two trades that I took today was EXR. EXR was get 115, hoping to get 115.75 today because that was the next level of resistance. And once it broke that 114.50, I should have kind of gotten there. But this was just a boredom trade, if at best. The next day I took with SPI. SPI, had a big monster move up, but then it kind of had sold off all day. And then once it was starting to move up, this is I got it here with the stop loss here, and then that didn't work out. So I stopped out on SPI. The swing trades that I'm really bummed about today is NIO. NIO I had gotten in at $22. Where's NIO? NIO at night, was it 19? Okay. No, that was the first. NIO at $22, and we had this nice move in our favor. I put a stop loss at 26, and it took me out at 20. When it this morning when it was volatile, it went all the way up to 29, where I should have probably sold, but I lost like a couple bucks on this, which is really bad because it's a small, just like 10%. I could have gained a lot more, but it is what it is. But it was still a nice gain. I bought it at 22, sold at 26. Um, Next up, the trade that I sold PLT. PLT, as it took out the low of yesterday, 1666, I got out, but my platform was, having some issues this morning. In any case, I got out at 1665. That was also a losing trade. The trade that I'm still in is LVGO. I got in this break right here at 145.29. Right now, it's hanging out around that area at 143 right now. So if this breaks, this support at 139, I'm gonna look to get out, but I'm looking for this to move higher in the coming days. Next up, I have RH. RH also came down significantly, but it ended up green. I have at 385, so I'm in profit already in this trade. Next up, I have ZM. ZM, I initiated a position yesterday at 502. I only got half position size, and this morning I was trying to get more. However, ZM, my platform, did not let me get more shares at 505. I was trying to get more shares at 505. It did not let me do that. So I'm only stuck with my half size at 502. This moved really nice in my favor. I'm up quite a bit on this one. Next trade that I opened today is Zillow. Zillow is showing really, really good relative strength this morning. It was gapping up over, it was breaking this wedge. I got in at this break at 105 or 104.50, but then it kind of sold off. So I don't really like this. But if my stop loss is here at 99 something, 99, 80, 85, like right around here. If it breaks down, then I'll be looking to sell. But hopefully, if this could break back again, then I'm looking for a move higher on this. Next up is Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab, I got this again on this wedge breakout right here at 38.60. They posted better than expected earnings, and their stock is right now where I'm sitting. in good in profit right now on Schwab. Another one that I initiated today is Carvana. Carvana also had a really good pattern breaking this wedge. I got in here at 221.62, currently sitting at 223.90. This has this has room to go up, especially with earnings coming up on 29th October. And we saw what happened to Cars.com today. They blew out, they blew their earnings, or blew up on their earnings, and I think we'll see a similar reaction to Carvana right before earnings. Uh, those are swing trades. And for as far as I recently started uh, a new strategy where I'm holding on. I'm picking some stocks for long term. I got in DLCRF at 184. I really wanted to get in at 169, but I got in at 184 today, and this has moved nicely in my favor. So I'm holding on to this at least for a minimum of a year. So I'm holding on to DLCRF. Some of the ideas that I'm looking out for tomorrow are obviously the ones that we talked about, and UNP. UNP is looking good to make a move higher here. We have Len, Len. Len is looking spicy. If this can, it kind of like already broke this, but if this can tomorrow, if this can stay, if this opens up and breaks this $85, I am interested in LEN. Today put 1.8 million, and they also paid dividends for today. Today was their I think dividend X date. So this looks good to make a move higher with all the home builders stocks also going higher. ALGN. Um, LGN, I really wanted to get in here at 330, but still looking really strong. If this breaks 340, 341, I'm looking to get into ALGN. And that's it, guys, for now. And let's review some of the other picks. CLH not doing anything. SHW not doing anything. CNF hanging in there. Z is what we already talked about. Net also not doing much. All right, guys, that's it for now. And as always, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you'd like to come trade with us, let me know in the comments, and I could point you in the right directions. All right, guys, cheers. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.